Okay, I'm going to show you how to program a rainbird ESP modular controller. The first thing you want to do is get it all set up, mounted to a wall somewhere, and wire up, install any modules that you need. And then once you get all the field wiring done, which is the wire coming from the valves, then you want to plug it in and first off, to program it, turn the dial to set current date, enter the current date, and to change the option that is flashing, use the up or down key, and then press manual start advance. And then from the month it'll flash to the day, and then once you're done setting the day, hit manual start advance again and the year will begin flashing. The next step to it is setting the current time. The hours will start flashing when you turn the dial to set current time, and once you're done setting the hours, click the manual start advance button and the minutes will start flashing. Once you're done with that, go to the watering start times. Then if you have not moved the program ABC slide switch, it should show program A start time first, 8 a.m. And what you do from there is use the net or up and down arrows to adjust the time, and it adjusts only in 15-minute increments. And then if you want to set more start times to the same program, hit the manual start advance. You can set up to 4 programs or start times per program. Once you're done with that, you're going to see if you want a custom, cyclic, odd, or even cycle. If you want custom, go to the custom cycle, which is the bigger area in purple. Turn it to Monday. It should show on. If you want to change that, press the down arrow. If you want to turn it back on, press the up arrow. And what I suggest is using it on a 3-day schedule per week and putting down 1 inch of water a week. And once you're done with setting the cycle, turn the dial to the 1 or set valve runtime, and it should show on the display number 1, 10 minutes. To change that, use the up and down arrows. And then it scrolls through the stations as you turn the dial from 1 to 13, and then something special about 13 is it is a auxiliary station, which means it can run even while suspended under the sensor. And that will show that AUX valve 0 minutes. To make it so that you can run the auxiliary valve without sensor, hold in the on-off keys simultaneously and it should show bypass sensor. To turn that off, hold the keys again. And then once you're done setting that, to change the time, use the up and down keys. And then to test all valves, which is a nice feature that most controllers have, is it'll show test, and then you hit manual start advance, and then turn the dial to auto, and that runs. And seasonal adjust between the months of March through May. You usually want to have the seasonal adjust set down at 50%. And then as you get into the summer, depending on how dry it is, turn it up to 150%. And in normal times, just have it at 100%. And that's it. So you can turn your dial to auto or off, depending on which way you want it, and then you're done. And with the Irritrol wireless rain sensor, you just, to bypass it, hit the little button in the middle, and the red light starts flashing. And to turn the bypass off, it'll quit flashing. When the rain sensor has enough rain to click it, the sensor status will be red. And that's about it. So if you have any more questions, just go to your manual that comes with your controller. Thank you.